Hello, everyone. How are you all doing this morning? I am sure you are doing very well. Now, these past few weeks, we've been learning about verbs and how to make sentences with them in Igbo. Now, like you all know, verbs are many in every language, so we're not really going to stop soon. We're going to do quite a number of verbs. Now, today we have a few verbs to consider. The first one is Ibamba. Ibamba means to wrestle. Bamba, wrestle. Baramba, wrestled. Nabamba is wrestling. Gabamba will wrestle. Abagomba has wrestled. Abagimba did not wrestle. Anagi Abamba is not wrestling. Agagi Abamba will not wrestle. Ababeyimba has not wrestled. Now, to make sentences with any of these verb conjugations, all you need to do is to add a subject, which could be either a name or a pronoun. Now, look at what I mean. Now, anyị na-agba mgba. Anyị there is a pronoun in Igbo. It means we are wrestling. John Cena anaghị agba mgba. Of course, John Cena is a name. So it means John Cena is not wrestling. Chiamaka agbabeghị mgba. Chiamaka is a name. So it means Chiamaka has not wrestled. Chike gbaa mgba. Chike is a name. It means Chike wrestle. It's like a command. Tunde agaghị agba mgba. Tunde is a name. Tunde will not wrestle. Ha agbago mgba. Ha is a pronoun in Igbo. It means they have wrestled. Now, the next verb we're going to discuss is the verb ide. Ide means to write. De means writes. Dere, wrote. Nede is writing. Gede will write. Edego has written. Edegi did not write. Anagi ede is not writing. Agagi ede will not write. Edebegi has not written. Now, there are things you can write. You can write ihe. Ihe means something. Now, there are times when you're writing something and somebody wants to know what you're writing and you don't really want to tell the person. You can say, I'm writing something. So that's ihe. Then we have akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ is book. We have letter. Letter is letter. We have akụkọ. Akụkọ is story. We have abụ. Abụ is song. And other things you can write. These are just a few of them. Now, let's make sentences. Ọ na-ede ihe. Ọ there is a pronoun. So it means she is writing something. Can you see? Ọ, the pronoun. Na-ede, the verb. And then ihe. I mean, it's something the person is writing. So, ọ na-ede ihe. She's writing something. Ị naghị ede letter. Now you can see it. I means you. You, singular you. Naghị ede, are not writing. Then letter means letter. Anyị edebeghị abụ. Anyị is we. Edebeghị means have not written. Abụ means song. Ha edebeghị akwụkwọ. Ha means they. It's a pronoun. Edebeghị means have not written. Akwụkwọ is book. So you say, ha edebeghị akwụkwọ. They have not written book. Ndere ihe. Ndere ihe. Is I. Dere means wrote. Then ihe means something. So I wrote something means ndere ihe. Sometimes you can also say ederem ihe. Now that's also acceptable. Adaeze agaghị ede akụkọ ahụ. Now Adaeze is a name. Agaghị ede means will not write. Akụkọ ahụ means the story. So Adaeze agaghị ede akụkọ ahụ. Now, these are a few examples, and I really would love you to try your own. Try your own. Try your own. You can't learn a language that you don't try. Now, use 3 conjugations each from the 2 verbs we have discussed to make sentences. So when you go to the verb to wrestle, choose 3 conjugations there. Go to verb to write, that's ibamba and idehe. Use 3 conjugations each. Write the sentences and practice them. Write the sentences and practice them. If you keep doing that, it will stick to your mind and you will learn how to speak. Thank you very much. Dalono.